15 years?
Holy Spirit activist.
Massachusetts.
Oh, they already know that.
Mom, should I ever stop recording?
I just got done filming episode 13. It is the reveal of our guest bedroom and bathroom, and it is fantastic. I highly recommend that you go watch it. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link for it in the description. However, I am on my way over to the school because Cody is doing, Cody has a performance in the talent show, and Boston was like, are you gonna be there for everybody? And I was like, yeah. And he's like, okay, well then I have a surprise for you. So you know, we're in for a surprise. Let's go to Cody's school.
Hold on when you need a friend, I'll stay here to the end. Get up, don't hang your head, we'll take it step by step.
You want me to turn the camera on and record myself and put you on speaker? I look like an absolute homeless person. Okay, hold on. All right, you're on speakerphone.
Is the camera on?
Yeah.
Happy anniversary.
Do you know what? I saw the date earlier and I was like, I think it's my anniversary.
Totally forgot about it. For some reason I thought the 26th was like later in the week, but I forgot that it's Thursday. And get this. Connor texted me this morning and said happy anniversary. I was like, man, that's wild for him to remember, but I think he's got the wrong date. Then I text our foundation guys because they left a tool here I just found, and he's all, oh, thanks, that is ours. And he's all, happy anniversary, by the way.
How did you know?
I was like, what the devil? And he's all, I heard that you were the winner on KVNU for the anniversary club today.
How did they know our anniversary?
Well, I called it in like a month ago because I was like, if I don't call it in now, I won't remember. So I just called it in. I was like, for the 26th. And we won.
What does that mean we won?
I think we're supposed to get flowers. So I think I need to call in, but I'm not sure.
Joel! That's really funny.
Isn't that funny?
Yes.
Pretty good. So we better call and get our flowers. So I'm going to make a phone call to KVNU.
All right. I could use a fresh set of flowers on the table. Do you want to know? What I've been doing all morning is just kind of going over items for the new house, like just interior design stuff.
How exciting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's what I've been doing all morning. And it's been so fun. And I've thought to myself a million times, I need to get up and figure something for dinner. I need to get up and like pick up the house and I haven't wanted to do any of it.
Oh, that's okay. I gotta come home and edit, so we'll do stuff later then.
I ate a bowl of popcorn for lunch.
That's yummy. That sounds good.
And I told the kids, in my mind, I was like, okay, I'll get a salad for me and Joel tonight. And then I asked the kids if they wanted spaghetti, and that sounded good to them.
Oh, good. Well, I'm sure they want spaghetti.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. 15 years is a busy.
15 years?
Yep.
Huh. Well.
Anyway.
What do you do?
I gotta get back to work.
Okay.
Love you.
Are you
Okay,
almost
Dad.
done?
Almost, yep.
Love you, Dad.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
I cannot believe that tomorrow is the last day of school. Our 5th graders are going to try to wear black and blue. We don't even know why. We're just doing it for fun. And we're going to have our kickball tournament. Students versus teachers, 5th grade, kindergartners, and like kindergarten through 4th grade get to watch us play.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so exciting.
And tomorrow we're wearing our stretchy nice outfit. It's a collar.
Oh, okay.
You have to have and tomorrow I'm going to the skate park after school with my friends play. And then after that I got invited to a party, me and him. It's gonna be 5th graders, like some 5th graders that are coming, and we're gonna have a big party.
Holy Spirit, activate. Holy Spirit, activate. Olivia, will you please put the vacuum away for me?
Yes.
I'm making spaghetti for dinner, something very, very simple. We're doing paper plates tonight. Cody, I'm gonna have you go get all of your stuff from the back of the truck so we can show everybody.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Tonight is actually Joel and I's anniversary today, and we forgot. Mom, no, what?
You know when you guys won the roses?
Yeah.
I was there when Dad called in for it.
Really?
Uh-huh. We were going to piano.
To the radio station?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny. And that's how Joel found out we won. Or that was our anniversary, because when we won.
This is only the second hat. There's a lot more coming. Wait, no. This is the second trick. Those are all bottle caps.
My doctor just put this cast on, and this one he put on yesterday.
Wow. That is a lot of cast. Two casts.
But
I can't believe it.
I have one more to put on my leg.
Oh my gosh. What happened?
I fell off a cliff.
Oh my.
I landed on my arms the wrong way, and they were like trampolines.
Oh
And
my
I
gosh.
bent my wrist, but then I just hit right here.
Is that a true story?
Mhm.
Oh
And
jeez.
cracked them. Then I bounced back up. Then I hit my leg
Oh, I can't believe it.
right in the shin.
Oh jeez.
Do you remember when I showed you this project I've been working on in one of my videos? I am super surprised how many there are. Like this one is like, it's heavier than it looks. And this one is just huge. I did not expect this much, but thank you. This is what I meant by I'm gonna make another one probably.
So you have not opened these packages.
Nope.
Holy moly. Thank you guys so much for the response. What are your plans now that you have so many caps? What do you think you'll make?
I don't know. Maybe,
You'll finish your guy.
Yeah, maybe I'll put him on like
Make a girl.
maybe I'll make a stand for him
Mhm.
that he can like stand on maybe.
Wait, Cody, you should make
Well-
a girl and them kissing.
Maybe. Probably not.
You were thinking of a sword, maybe.
Yeah, sword to go across his back and one in his hand or something. I don't know. Boston accidentally bumped it. It fell off. The leg snapped off. So that's why I have so much glue, and that's why this one's slanted and this one has like that curve.
Wow. It looks awesome though.
Thank you, Mr. William Patrick from Columbus. Thank you, Kay Carter from Georgia? I can't read that. Thank you, from Texas. I can't read the name. Sorry. Thank you from Michigan, Massachusetts. Thank you, California. Thank you, Seafekin from
Washington.
Logan, Utah. Thank you, March from California. And last but not least, Miss Susan Saunders from Utah.
Nice.
I think this is from one of my teachers. Because her last
Didn't your teacher say that she watched the video?
That was someone else.
Which is really cool because Cody's teacher one of the school workers watched the video.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
I think Miss Saunders is one of the dual immersion teacher.
Amazing.
And a special thanks from my grandma for bringing me some. This is from all my grandma. She gave me all these ones.
And as you make it, because I have not done one tiny thing for it, we'll keep you updated.
You got the hot glue.
I bought the hot glue. You guys are awesome. Thank you.
I will
Get busy.
I will get busy and I will make another video when I've finished or when I build the, I don't even know. I'll keep in contact.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, let's go eat our spaghetti. Super, super simple dinner, but the kids are really excited for this. I know. All right, we're closing the vlog by saying congratulations to Lacey. Lacey is from Wisconsin.
Wisconsin. So she knows all about the shop we're building.
And her letter to us is so sweet.
So stinking sweet.
She invited us to her graduation party, and I was like, Joel, can we please go to her graduation party?
Well, if we had got this earlier, I'm sure we would have been able to make it.
Literally, I think if we would have gotten it a little sooner, we would have tried to go. Because it sounds like a blast, I'm not gonna lie. Her letter was so sweet, and basically just thanking us. She's watched us over the last 6 years, and gal, I just thank you for sending that to us.
That's a long relationship that we've had
It
with
is.
her, and that we probably have with other people. That's incredible to think
Yeah.
about.
So for fun's sake, message in the comments below how long you guys have been watching us, whether it's been the whole time or like one day. Regardless, we still love you. We truly love you guys. And I can say that because it's a feeling that I have, and I don't know where that comes from, but
It's genuine.
It's genuine.
It's true. But congratulations to all the seniors.
yeah, congrats
Good
to
job.
all those that are graduating.
You did it.
Good luck going to college. Joel went to college for 7 years.
I should be a doctor.
He graduated while he had a full-time job and 3 kids, and that was pretty awesome.
Good enough. And we don't even use it.
It's fine. Love you, bye! Happy anniversary!
Hey,
15 years.
toots. I got us a
15 years.
plant vase that we're gonna get sent. Isn't that great?
I don't even, oh,
I did that for you.
on the radio.
What did you do for me today?
I'm gonna go get us some dinner. Maybe I'll scratch your back while you fall asleep.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to bed looking like a man. It's fine.
That's what I like.